Are you a Nepali student abroad, feeling overwhelmed by deadlines, language barriers, and trying to stay on top of everything alone? What if I told you there's a smarter way, powered by AI? Whether you're in Canada, Australia, or the UK, assignments, group projects, and managing your time can be tough. But AI tools like ChatGPT, Grammarly, Notion, and Otter.ai are here to make it easier. Let's start with ChatGPT. This tool can help you brainstorm essay ideas, structure your reports, and even give you sample answers, ethically, if you use it right. ChatGPT responding with outline, introduction, body, conclusion. Another prompt. Rewrite this paragraph in academic English. Use it to plan, not plagiarize. Always proofread AI responses. Ask it to simplify complex topics. Next up, Grammarly and Quillbot. Perfect if English isn't your first language. These tools help you sound professional, avoid grammar mistakes, and express your ideas more clearly. Now let's talk time. Between lectures, part-time jobs, and cooking dal bhat, managing time is a struggle. For class discussions and taking notes, Otter.ai and Google's voice typing are lifesavers.
Write an email to my professor for extension.
Organizing group projects. Use Trello to assign tasks. And don't forget MOBEECO for comparing consultancies, tracking applications, and connecting with other Nepali students abroad. Remember, AI is your study assistant, not your shortcut. Do use ChatGPT to plan and clarify concepts. Don't copy-paste entire answers. Do use Grammarly to polish your drafts. Don't submit AI-written content blindly. Listen to what some Nepali students are saying.
ChatGPT helped me get my paper done faster.
Grammarly saved me from losing marks.
MOBEECO's combo with AI tools is next level.
Which tool do you use the most? Drop it in the comments. Download MOBEECO and start working smarter, not harder. Like, share, and subscribe for more student life hacks. This is the future of studying abroad. Use AI wisely and you'll go further, faster. See you in the next video.